Hello, I wanted to introduce y'all to my school system that I work at, and that's the Houston County Board of Education. And as you can see, the Board of Education, the website is www.hcbe.net here at the top. And when you first sign in, this is what you would see. And this is good for parents, for teachers, for employees, anybody in the county. It lets you know who's hiring, who the teacher of the year is, any important information that would be needed. Now, what I do use this for is, one, I'm a parent with kids in the Board of Education, so I would I can sign in under my parent portal, and I have access to my kids' school grades and stuff like that. I have an app on my phone, but also we would go to this dashboard when I sign in, and this gives me access to my emails, the Google Classroom, the Infinite Campus. This is what I can sign in for to see my kids and their information. I don't have access to this app particular app right here, the GoGuardian, but the GoGuardian is something that the teachers have access to, and it monitors the technology use in the school system, because our students have access to their own school-issued laptops, and this will allow the teachers to see what the students are doing on their laptops during instruction. And the teachers can also disconnect or enable the apps that they shouldn't be on during instruction. So I think this is a good tool for the Board of Education that they invested in, because it has stopped a lot of Googling of answers or being on YouTube when they shouldn't be on YouTube. But yes, so the GoGuardian, I think, is a very good thing. If only, paras had access to it, so when we're in the classroom with the student, we can close it down as well. But I don't think they haven't started that up yet. But again, I work for the Board of Education, and I think this is a great great app for us to be able to use. And that is it. Thank y'all.